Hello, good morning. Ayan, good morning. Today is February 17, Monday. Duty time na naman tayo. This is Papa Dek TV. Ayan, ito yung lulutuin natin for today, burger patty. Ayan, with mushroom soup. Together with Nanay Mirna, of course, may rito, nanay dito. Kaming dalawa muna, wala pa po yung iba, pero kaya naman natin to. So ito, piniprepare lang po natin yung yung mushroom soup for today and of course pang burger patty. Ayan po. Ayan. Nay, shoutout ka muna, Nay.
Hello, good morning!
Ayan. Salamat po sa inyo. Ayan.
Thank
And
you
mamaya
very
po pala, meron po tayong, of course, may pa-dessert tayo sa mga bata. Of course. Galing po yun sa isang kaibigan natin na gusto niya magpakain sa mga bata. Ayan. So, thank you again. Mamaya, saka ko na shout out yung name pagka tapos na to. Okay, God bless Monday. Have a nice day. Ayan. Of course, KBK and family, Mami Maribig Pujibe and Daddy Yuji, Sis Ateng Celeste, and to my wife Doreen. Ayan, good morning and happy Monday sa ating lahat. God bless us. Bye!